Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can activate or enable the reading mode in the Avast web browser to save tabs and websites to it. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so you will need to navigate to the toolbar customization. As you can see, the reading mode is already enabled for me, reading list here. But if you don't see it guys, you may navigate to this button here on your left sidebar, settings. And then what you want to do is, that's actually not the one I'm looking for, excuse me. Click into these three dots in the top right and then select settings. Here navigate to appearance on the left hand side, and here guys you can customize your toolbar. So if I click into reset to default, the reading mode will disappear. So let me re-enable it here on the left hand side. You will see it here amongst these tools. So let me enable the reading list as well as the history. And below you will also see the reading mode. So they're different from each other. So if I, for example, navigate to the reading list, you will see all tabs you have added to it. And the reading mode looks like this. So guys, you need to navigate to a specific page. Yeah, highlight the text. I don't know. I have no example right now, but you need to highlight the text you want while having the reading mode open. And that's basically it. Now you can customize the reading mode in the top right, for example, enable links and images, and also change the view here, for example, for full page, if you'd like to have the reading mode open for the entire screen. And customize also the text here, like the line height, letter spacing. If I understand correctly, you can also let Google read the text for you, and you can choose a sound or voice here. I can't play it due to copyright reasons, but that's how you do it, guys. And yeah, that's the two. You can customize the voice speed here, and that's the two options: reading mode and reading list. So they're different from each other. I didn't know that either. So now I do know it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.